We're gonna cut open this old Flowmaster 40. I just took off of my truck. It's rotted out. We'll cut it open and see what's inside.
Oh, more angles.
That took forever. Okay, so this is the top of it. This is the inlet. This is the exit over here. So goes in here.
This was the main exit right here.
That was the main exit.
The big
around the end. Fuck. That's
Well,
I wonder what these do.
I know where there's a creek that we can dump this.
I know a parking lot. But look at this.
Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're not gonna be able to count them all.
More than 30 cuts.
That took 2 grinder discs.
They build the middle better than they build the fucking outlets.
That took more grinder than the entire Republican Party. So exhaust goes in here, through here, circles all through this stuff, or at least this. I don't know if it's sound waves they try to redirect or just exhaust flow, where it goes like in and around.
It's a raspy effect.
And it leaves. It's probably where it gets that tinny grumble sound. Interesting.
These kill the rasp. These baffles.
Yeah, it's got to do it. Anyhow, I know everyone wanted to see this Flowmaster cut open. This was top things to look up.
Nobody wanted to spend 2 hours cutting it open into 1 million pieces on the ground that you're not going to clean up either.
That's interesting. Well, this was a good experiment for science. We discovered what's inside a Flowmaster.